Hi guys, this is Elisha, and today I want to introduce you to my new mobile app for Android. It's called Business Recon, and basically, it's just a reconnaissance tool that you can use to gather very valuable insight or the answers to your very important questions before you start a business. Like for example, if you want to start a $1 million business down the street, you would want to make sure that there are actually at least a few customers who would be able to buy your product. So you cannot just go to your local market and start a jet business. Like it will be ridiculous because not very many people will actually just be your customers, because there's so many things to consider now. So my point here is, before you spend like the $1 million that your grandma is willing to loan you, you want to make sure that you have the right answers to the right questions. And to do that, you can just come here and create your questions. Basically, think very well about which questions do you think will give you the most value. And once you have those, I mean, you can write them down, type them here, and save them in this huge list here. And you can actually edit them and delete them, you can search through them and all that. And then once you have the questions that you want to ask outside there, you come here and you basically swipe through them and ask the customers which questions they want. So if you have 10 questions, you just swipe through them back and forth. And once you answer a question, so you can say reggae is like the hottest thing right now. So if it is the hottest thing right now, what you probably want to do is to open a reggae store. So if the customer says that and they say they'll buy it, then you're good. So you just press save, and once you press save, that will be saved up there and you'll be shown here in your answers and questions list. Now you can actually long press them to manage them, edit them and delete them, and you'll be able to do that. Now once you're done, you can go back home or to your office or to your basement. Remember, so many great things started in the basement, right? So you go back to your basement and you are all alone and you want to do this analysis, and you see how many people actually gave me positive feedback and how many gave me no no hope. Basically they just shut you down. But you look at the different the number of positives and the number of negatives, and you compare, and then you can be able to make a decision as to whether you can actually start this business. So basically, that's what my business app does, the Business Recon app does. And so it helps you to do that. You don't have to be a business person to use this app. You can do anything, research for a college course or something that you've been sent out there. You can use it for anything that you can imagine. So otherwise, I appreciate you watching this video. Please share it and download the app and give me a rating on the Play Store. Thank you so much.